Hi everyone, this is Akelzama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to do this two-line hairstyle and we are going to use a yaki braid. So we are using this yaki braid on color coil green. Yes, that's color coil green. Yeah, I bought this hairpiece, guys, here in Josie. It's only 10 rand and I only used one packet and I cut it into half. Yeah, also you're going to need crochets, this crochet, because I'm going to use it. So yeah, as you can see here, I forgot to show you guys, I just finished applying holding gel. Yeah, I just put small amount of holding gel so that you know my hairline will behave. Hairline, my fat, it must behave. Our hairlines, it must behave, and so that my line will be neat. Yeah, my line will be neat when I'm plaiting it. So as you can see, guys, here I tried my best to do slowly so that guys you can see yeah, I tried my best so that you can see what exactly was I trying to do here. For those who are interested for doing hair, for those who are interested in hair, I hope guys you can see yini ngiyenzile lana ne. Yeah, la abathanda ukuqhina ne. Yeah, abathanda ukuqhina, guys. I hope you learn something from this one. But the funny thing, guys, you know, if you're plaiting yourself, like your fingers, like they'll be moving fast, like fast, fast, guys. But anyway, here I tried my best. I really tried my best to do slowly. So guys, you can see but I tried, guys. You can see I tried my best. So guys, for all those who subscribe to my channel, guys, guess what? 40 subscribers, guys. Yo. Anyway, for someone 40 is nothing, but for me, guys, I'm happy. Guys, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm so grateful, guys. Guys, I don't know what to say. Like, ngijabule. Guys, I'm happy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for showing your girls some love. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. See that conro, guys, neat, ne? So yeah, I'm really happy. And for all those who are new, guys, welcome to the family. I welcome you to the family, guys. I hope you stay, guys. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy and like my videos. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. I'm happy. So if you're interested in doing hair, this is the right place to be, because mainly I do tutorials, I do wiki, I do plait myself, I do my installation, anything that concerns hair. This channel is for hair, mainly is for hair. So if you want to learn, I'm here for you to share what I know with you guys. If you have got any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm there to respond or to do any hairstyle tutorial that you want me to do for you. If you want to learn how to do razor cut, just say Zama, please, can you do a razor cut tutorial so that I will learn something first? Don't worry, I'll do it. No, Zama, can you do a straight back? I want to see, I want to learn. I'm there, guys. I'm here for you. Don't worry, my friend. I'm here to share what I know. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm now using that crochet. So you insert your crochet like this, make sure you hook your hair, then you close that small clip, and then you pull, guys. You hook, you close, you pull. You see, you insert your crochet like this, better you put your hair piece, you close, you pull. Don't make that mistake of pulling without closing that thing. Don't make that mistake, because it will break your hair or it will injure you. So make sure that before you pull, you close. Insert, you close, you pull. Simple, guys. It's very simple. Don't make that mistake of pulling without closing that thing. So yeah, let me not talk too much. Let me just leave you guys to watch and see what I was trying to do here. Yeah, but fair to get new. Anyway, let me leave you guys to this video so that you enjoy watching it. Ne? Yeah, I talk too much. That's why sometimes I wish to do a video like talking to you, like I'm plating whilst I'm talking to you. But where I stay in Sindo, Lane Josie, and I stay close to super bed, you bed, and my memes every day. Come in bed, super bed. So just imagine, guys. So I can't do anything with that noise. I don't want to irritate you guys with that noise. So yeah, but one day is one day. So let me not talk too much, guys. Let's get to the video, ne? Yeah.